YouTube, JB from Oz. So today is D-Day, time to get everything back together. I have run out of time to do any more paint preparation. So basically it's a question of making it run and drive again. Let's hook in, see how we go. Getting down to the wire, running out of daytime, but making good progress. Seats are in, trim's in, lights are on, bit of cleaning, and we're about to put the windscreen on, and then might call it a night there. Get up in the morning, clean the wheels, do another quick polish over everything. 2 weeks restoration. Yay! Wow. Well, we're pretty much out of light, and bonnet obviously still needs paint, but this back quarter doesn't look too bad. Obviously there is a difference in colour there, which I'll pick up when I next paint it, but for the first time in a very long time there's no dent in this quarter panel. We have some really lovely interior, leather seats, all looking nice, and we're ready to go for a run tomorrow. How good is that? Thanks for joining me on this journey, and we'll get on to some more stuff next. Bye now.